In today's episode, I am going to prepare Hyderabad special spot idli. This is available in few areas in Hyderabad. If you get bored of eating regular idlis, you need to try this spot idli. This idli is a best combination with allam chutney and coconut chutney. Chutney recipes links was mentioned in the description. So come on, let's get started. For preparation of spot idli, take a bowl, add 1 cup of urad dal, add required amount of water and soak it for 8 hours. Take another bowl, add 2 cups of idli rava. For 1 cup of urad dal, add 2 cups of idli rava. Now add required amount of water and soak it for 8 hours. After 8 hours, wash and clean urad dal with water and transfer this into a blender and add half cup of poha into it. Now grind this into a smooth paste. Now wash and clean the idli rava and add this to the batter without any water. Now mix everything with the help of the hand. Now add required amount of salt. Again mix it and rest this batter for 8 hours. Now let's start preparing gunpowder. Take a pan, add 30 grams of chana dal, fry it on a low flame. Now into this, add 30 grams of roasted chana dal, add 30 grams of white urad dal. Now add 15 grams of raw rice, add 15 grams of grated dry coconut. Now fry it on a low flame. Fry the ingredients until it turns into golden brown. Now add 15 grams of sesame seeds. Now add curry leaves, hing, tamarind. Now mix everything and fry it on a low flame. Once the ingredients turns into golden brown, turn off the flame and transfer this mixture into a plate. Further in the same pan, add little amount of oil. Now add around 30 grams of dried red chilies. Fry it on a low flame. Now transfer these all ingredients into a blender and add required amount of salt and blend this into a coarse powder. Now transfer this coarse powder into a plate. For preparation of idli, take a pan, add chopped onions. Fry these onions on a low flame. Now add chopped green chilies. Now add chopped coriander leaves. Now mix everything. Now add butter into it. Fry these ingredients on a low flame. Once onion get translucent, add prepared gunpowder into it. Now add chopped tomatoes. Give a good mix. Once tomatoes was fried, Now divide this into 3 equal parts because we are going to prepare 3 spot idlis. Now add idli batter on the top of this. Now sprinkle some gunpowder on the top of the idli batter. Now add little amount of chopped coriander. Now cover with lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes on a low flame. Now remove the lid, then flip the idlis one by one to other side. That's all, spot idli was ready. Now transfer these idlis into a plate. Finally, spot idli was ready. Try this simple recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section.